Ever feel like no matter how hard you work, building wealth is always just out of reach? You're definitely not alone. Hitting that first 100K can seem like scaling a mountain, but here's the secret they don't tell you. Once you get there, the game changes. Suddenly, your money starts working harder than you ever could. Today, I'll show you why $100,000 is such a pivotal milestone, and more importantly, how you can get there faster than you think. Let's break it down. $100,000 isn't just a random number. It's where compound interest really kicks in. Before $100,000, most of your wealth comes from what you save and earn. But once you cross that line, your money starts making money, and that money makes more money. Think of it like a snowball. You start small, but as it rolls, it grows exponentially. For example, let's say you invest $5,000 a year with a 7% return. It'll take you around 14 years to hit $100,000, but after that, you'll only need 5 years to reach $200,000, and even less for the next $100,000. The more money you have, the faster it grows. But how does this work in real life? Let's break it down with a real-world scenario. Take Emma. She started investing $10,000 a year. In the first few years, the growth was slow. Gains of $500 here, $1,000 there. But by year 5 or 6, something clicked. Her returns started looking more like $10,000 and $20,000. Eventually, her returns outpaced her contributions. That's the magic of compounding. Your money starts doing the heavy lifting. Emma made it happen by staying disciplined. But why do so many others fall short of reaching that $100,000 milestone? The truth is simple. It's lifestyle inflation. Every time you get a raise, it's tempting to upgrade your car, move into a bigger place, or buy the latest tech. But here's the harsh reality. Every dollar spent on unnecessary upgrades delays your financial freedom. A lot of people feel stuck because they're trying to save, but they're also spending like they've already made it. If you can cut back on those extra expenses for just a few years, you can fast-track your way to $100,000 and beyond. So, what can you do to avoid the common pitfalls and reach $100,000 faster? Here are 4 strategies that'll help you get there. Automate your savings. You can't spend what you don't see. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts each payday. The less you have to think about it, the better. Increase your income. Instead of just cutting back, focus on earning more. Whether it's picking up a side hustle, freelancing, or learning a new skill, every extra dollar brings you closer to your goal. Dollar cost averaging. Trying to time the market? Forget it. Instead, invest a fixed amount regularly, whether the market is up or down. Over time, this strategy smooths out volatility and steadily builds your portfolio. Live below your means. I know nobody wants to sacrifice comfort forever, but the key here is short-term pain for long-term gain. Live below your means for just a few years. Cut back on those big expenses and watch how fast your savings grow. Apply these strategies, and before you know it, you'll not only see your savings grow, but you'll start thinking about money in a whole new way. Hitting $100,000 doesn't just change your finances, it changes your mindset. Suddenly, you stop thinking about just scraping by. Now, you see your money as a tool. Every decision becomes more strategic because you're playing a bigger game. Reaching 100K changes everything. But the best part? It's only the beginning. Now, let's talk about how to accelerate your wealth-building journey from here. Once you hit that milestone, wealth building gets easier. You'll want to start diversifying, whether that's in real estate, stocks, or index funds. The more you spread your investments, the faster they grow. The key is to keep the momentum going, keep automating, keep increasing your income, and stay focused on the long game. This isn't a sprint, It's a marathon, but the rewards, totally worth it. If you've been struggling to reach that $100,000 milestone, now you know the steps to get there. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how fast your wealth grows once you hit that tipping point. If you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to hit the like button, share it with someone who could use a boost, and subscribe for more insights. We're all in this journey together, and I'm excited to share more strategies that'll help you level up your financial game. And before you go, I'd love to know, what's your biggest financial goal right now? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, financial freedom is within reach. You've got this.